Ngiyavuka nje manje ngaza wethu angixolele angigqokile lutho nje la ngezansi lutho ngiyimi nje kuyilo ngazalo right-ke nansi-ke ingane yakwethu into engicela ukuthi ngiyidlulise la nginama-announcement awu-2 la nginabantu abawu-3 mangingaphosisi oyedwa obe ne-pending payment lapha kwi-web app la abantu abenza khona ama-chart reading abo ku www.akashenmedia.co.za oyedwa bene-pending payment abuyeli-ke kimi ukuthi i-pending payment ebhenki lakhe seliyiprocessile yini. 2 ngisenabawu-2 engi-engage nabo abanenkinga yokusayina up ukuze bengene kwi-app. Ngiya-engage nabo as we speak. Oyedwa u-active, oyedwa usethule. Right, ngikusholani lokhu? Ngiyacela bafethu ninginike i-feedback, yabo? Ngoba bese u3 nje abantu angifuni ukuthi beze bebe baningi abantu abanganginiki i-feedback. Ngicela unginike i-feedback ukuthi kwenze njani. Omunye ngize ngamlandelela mina ngabuza ukuthi kugcine kuhambe kanjani, wathi no kugcine ngikwazile ukusayina up. Alright fine. Ngicela ukuthi unginike i-feedback ngane yakwethu yezo. Unganginiki i-feedback kuphela ngoba nakho kungahambi kahle unenkinga noma seku-right ngoba mina ngisuke ngala esayidini lami ngine-anxiety phela ngilona iqola mina ngiyalandelela yezo. So ngisuke ngazi khona umuntu onenkinga kumele ukuthi inkinga yakhe agcina solved. Okwesibili ngicela ukuthi uma kukhona umbuzo onawo nge-chat lakho ungibuze. Uma kukhona umbuzo onawo in relation to i-chat lakho noma into oyifice lapha i-content oyifice lapha ngicela ungibuze enambeni yami ka-WhatsApp ikhona la kwi-profile ikhona. Ngicela ungibuze ube clear ngento oyifice lapha ngiyacela ngoba inhloso yami laphana akusikona ukuthi wena nje khokha lo 300 kube ihlangana ahlukana. Ngifuna ukuthi uyiphile lento le oyifica lapha. Tebaleke kakhulu type uyinhloboni, strategy u-engage kanjani nempilo, what makes you to move, authority how do you take decision, konke okunye kuyibonus. Yes, ngicela ukuthi ungibuze-ke uma ungibuze mase khona isidingo or understand makuthi uya-understanda futhi well it's fine it's simple ne isingisi lesi sibhalwe lapha futhi layman's term not a high tech jargon English simple. I also have videos. Ngiyacela bafethu yabo ngoba angifuni ukuthi kufike esigabeni la khona ayikhalike la endlini ingane makuthi ayizwe ikhala ngale ngaze nithi ikhala la. Angifuni ukuthi nithole niba sesigabeni la khona othi yazi lento iyangiconfuse nje akugona lokho ebengilindele. Ngibuze lapha kuya kuziningi izinto ezichazwayo lapha. Ngima ukuthi awu-understand senda uWhatsApp ngibuze ngizokuchazela ukuthi kuthiwani lapha ngawo. Yabo? Kuthiwa mawuthi nje khona into ongayiqondi. Khona ama centers lapha, khona ama channels lapha inenye futhi khona lapha. Khona incarnation cross lapha your role. Let's ayethu maybe mhlambe let me summarize. Let me just make a quick summary right now. 1 type uyinhloboni ama type ekhona u4 wena uyinhloboni. Lo type oyiyona idetermine ukuthi umove kanjani nempilo. Kumele uinvite noma kumele uresponde noma kumele uinitiate izinto noma kumele ulinde the full lunar cycle. Uyinhloboni angithi ayizwe lonto ngoba ukuthi uyinhloboni idetermine ukuthi umove kanjani nempilo. Yes, okokuqala lokho. Okwesibili authority usithatha kanjani isinqumo, how do you pull the trigger ngoba ungayibona opportunity yes ekumele uresponde kuyona but authority yakho ithi no not this time, I don't want this, even though it makes sense, it's good on paper, but my authority says That is the authority, not your mind, not your father, not your mother, not your friends, not your colleague, not your priest or your pastor, not even your child. No one inner. La khona uku crossroad. Where do you consult to say yes or no? That's the authority. As we don't guess, baba. Right? Ngithe type ngathi authority, strategy. In fact isona bekumele sibo number 2. Strategy. Yini ekwenza ukuthi qala umuve. Strategy guys ukuthi uyalizwa nawe igama strategy. uqala kanjani ukumove njengoba ngishilo lathi yabo uqala kanjani ukumove strategy uyalinda bese uyaresponda as izinto ziza istrategy leso hayi ukuthi uzovela ulala uvuka uhamba ovula ibusiness uyalala uyavuka uyahamba uyobhalisela ikhoze ethile uyafuna ukufunda uyafika lapha lento iyaxaka uyalala uyavuka uyashintsha indawo ohlala kuyona usuyohlala kwenye indawo uyalala uyavuka wena usuqala i-relationship uhamba you are shaking hands with the wrong people because you are initiating you want to start the relationship and then those relationship end up costing you because when you should have responded to the relationship that was coming to you because you are a generator you don't chase things you respond it's a strategy how do you move how do you engage with life if ingeke into kumele uresponde kuyona go on with your life like do things that makes you happy in the meantime day-to-day hobbies if you like reading read just nothing is showing up don't force things nothing is showing up most into ebalekile la ukuthi do something that you love in the meantime not that you are passive like this prepare yourself musu waste energy yakho do things that makes your heart sing in the meantime opportunities will come and prevail aweza ama opportunity kumuntu ongawalindele futhi ongawa attract yabo i-opportunity ngicela ukukutshela lokho yabo by the time you are waiting for something to happen ngoba nonke kuthiwa wait kunina except umuntu oyedwa kuthiwa uyimanifest akalindi loyo nonke nina number 3 kuthiwa wait nina nonke kuthiwa wait kunina nonke imanifest kuphela kuthiwa iya initiate without waiting nonke kuthiwa wait things will show up wait for something to show up and then you respond to wait for invitation people will invite you situation wena kwakho is to be able to spot these things not to initiate because you are going to get a vicious slap in your face uyavuka uyahamba uyoqala business liya collapse ngobani we are initiating from your mind is not a place to take the decisions it's in strategy sakho it's in authority okay master class le ngisengishilo lathi type izo determine strategy sakho bese uba i-authority ngishilo ukuthi ahlukeneke ka7 ama authority wena uyabona lapha ukuthi yipe yakho iyona kumele uconsult nayo kune sacral authority okuyi-guard oku70% wena une sacral authority kune emotional authority abantu ekumele ukuthi beqale belinde ama emotions abo ukuthi asubside before they take a decision kune abantu ekumele ukuthi yilabo abangama projector ke labo abangama guider baba ne planning authority basebenza nge-intuition in the now i-decision kumele ithathe manje yabo kumele i-intuition kune maningi wena ubonile ukuthi yipe yakho mawuthi awuqondi ukuthi isho ukuthini ngibuza bese kuba khona ini lapha khona ama centers kube khona incarnation cross good people akuyona i-role noma i-purpose kumele ukuthi consciously uhambe uthi uyoyiphila noma uyoyifuna ukuyiphila iyaziphilekela yona la uhamba khona automatically that is the energy you bring wherever you go understand that hayi ukuthi le nto ethi ukuthi incarnation cross it's your soul purpose and role isho ukuthi hamba ke manje ube conscious ukuthi ngifuna ukuphila i-role yami this is the energy that you bring because that is why we are here every time right angle cross of limitation kuthiweni ufundile you bring limits to things so kubone ke lokho la ufika khona that's what you bring so you won't ask yourself like me if I see things collapse I know what I collapse and rebuild and collapse and rebuild I'm a sleeping phoenix dying and waking up ayonto emele ukuthi leyo ngiyicabanga ukuye iyazenzekela yona as I go mina mine should be aware of it ama centers your centers are your consistent energies ozalwe nawo defined na consistent mind unendlela yakho ocabanga ngayo wena ayishintsha ukuthi unobani injalo nje we are fixed minded we are strong opinionated we are fixed identity Jesus ama into consistent enga affect by environment leyo ngisho ukuthi unobani kuphi open ke obviously affect by environment ama channels ama energetic configurations akho ukuthi unayiphi channel ama channels ikabhaliwe lapha good people ukuthi le isho ukuthini ukuthi unayiphi capability ne attribute this is just a summary hamba kuyifuna lapha